Hello, my name is Edgar Soto, and I am a dietetic intern at CSS. In honor of Cinco de Mayo, we're going to be making Tacos Dorados and Salsa Cruda. Let's start off with the Tacos Dorados. We're going to need four basic ingredients: some corn tortillas that have been warmed up already, some chicken breast, shredded, some avocado oil spray, and a couple of toothpicks. These toothpicks are used to keep the tacos in place. We're going to put two with toothpicks, two without. So let's take our corn tortilla, take some shredded chicken, and we're going to roll it up nice and tight. Put a toothpick in between, another one just to keep it in place, and there it goes on our tray. To make one more, once again, some shredded chicken. You want to make sure you roll it up really tight. Make sure everything stays in place. Toothpick in. Be careful because toothpicks are a little pointy. Another toothpick in. And we're going to make two more, but without toothpicks, and see if they stay in place. So roll it up nice and tight. Place it strategically on the tray. And one more, so use the rest of our chicken, and there we go. Our last step is to add some avocado oil spray on our tacos dorados. This will make them crunchier and crispier. You could put these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. You could also place them in the air fryer about 10 to 15 minutes as well. Next up is our salsa cruda. We're going to add some cilantro with leaves and stems. The stems do have flavor. Some green tomatillos, green tomatoes, some jalapeno, a clove of garlic, and a quarter of an onion. This is going to go all in the blender. And salsa cruda means raw salsa. We're not going to cook anything. We're just going to blend it, and it's going to be quick and easy. You can add the jalapeno with the seeds or without, depending on what spice level you like. And this salsa is going to be blended, and we're going to add a avocado to it as well. Okay, I have blended my salsa, and now I'm going to add this half of avocado. I have cut the avocado horizontally and vertically. And now I am scooping out the avocado level by level because it's going to give us small pieces and it's going to be divided within the sauce evenly. I'm going to mix this avocado in, and the avocado not only adds flavor, it will add a little bit more creaminess. It's also going to add in some healthy fats. The avocado has a good amount of healthy fats, and we're gonna add this salsa on top of our tacos dorados. So here we go, our tacos dorados are ready. I'm gonna take out these toothpicks. Just be careful when you do take them out. And I'm going to add the salsa on top. You can add sour cream or cheese to these tacos if you want to. It would balance out the spice level as well. Enjoy. Well, there you have it. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to email me. Have a great one.